Excuse me, Fury. Well, today we're going to be doing an unboxing and setup video of a Night Owl security system that I got from Sam's Club. Went to Sam's Club to get it, and they didn't have one in stock. So I got it shipped here for $8. I spent that much in gas just driving to Sam's Club. Gotta love that, a box inside of a box. It's like one of those old little doll things that they used to make. My sister used to have a bunch of them. This is a Night Owl two-way audio 12-channel DVR security system with 2 GB hard drive and 8 wired 2K deterrence cameras. That's Arizona freedom right there. Curiosity killed the cat. This is Fury. He's my boy. He lives up to his name. He's not only Fury, he is a Fury. And like every cat in the world, he loves to get in boxes. Oh my, another box. Ugh. And more boxes inside boxes. There's some eggshell things if I ever want to make soundproofing. I'm off to a good start. Oh, and there's Max. Oh, we have some cables. This is the hard drive. I may or may not have to replace the cameras I already have. Does look like they are compatible. Comes with a sticker that says protected by cameras.
This particular ammo can only be fired by one gun. The Fabrique Nacional Pistol, or FM57, made by
A quick start guide.
came from the head of a head. And my analysis suggests it was fired from the same FM57 that took them apart. Okay, this is great stuff and probably very helpful. And Shay has things he wanted to explain. You know, like why he's stolen that phone. To keep it from connecting. Or getting Clark to his story.
All right. Well, this is the hard drive. And that's my old hard drive over there. And that's my cat trying to eat the corner of a box. That's my Fury. Okay. Maybe before I get down on my hands and knees to plug this in, I should register the product.
Inspired by the kidnapping, and because the FBI frowns on that kind of thing, I created Guy Fontaine as my novel film, a pen name. 100 grand is Fontaine's advance. Just haven't had time to create the calendar. She's not only a crook, he's crazy.
A crazy farm of his own from a crazy macro farm.
Captain Clark doesn't have an ending. Oh, I'm not to write it. You have to wait until you get to the end.
Mommy, that Fury sure does like to get in the boxes. All right. Sorry. All right.
Mariana's teeth were knocked out. There were burn marks on her shoulders. Now, how can I know? How can I be sure that you weren't the one responsible for those things?
So I got it hooked up. Not too much effort. It works. It works, and I have no blind spots. Alrighty.